Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to view your savings progress on Trim. Do you want to check how close you are to reaching your savings goals? Well, Trim gives you an easy way to monitor your progress in real time. Let me show you how it's done. First, start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home screen, you're going to go to savings, or you see the goals section. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you're going to see a list of all of your active savings goals. Each goal will show you the target amount and how much you've saved so far. It will also show the percentage completed, so you can quickly gauge exactly how far along you are. To see more detailed progress, just tap on any specific goal. You'll be able to view the amounts saved to date, as well as the amount remaining and any scheduled automatic savings that are planned. Trim also provides you with a progress bar or graph that visually shows how close you are to reaching your target amount. This makes it super easy to track your progress at a single glance. If you've set up automatic savings, you'll see how much has been transferred recently, and if you're on track to hit your goal by the target date. You can also adjust your savings settings if you need to contribute more or less to reach your goals faster or slower. That's it. You now know exactly how to view your savings progress on Trim, making it easy to stay motivated and on track. Next up, I'm going to show you guys how to change your savings goals in Trim, so check out that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep saving. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.